Here we have a 1962 3-in-1 hardtop. It's a Chevy Impala that has now become my holy grail piece right here. You can build it stock, custom, stylized, with engine and a bonus part included for 1/25th scale motor cycle. Beautiful artwork. Here we have the side. Nice display variation of designs of cars. And I always like this design right here with them working on it. Attach parts, finish, and paint. Here we have a photo of the 62 Impala to identify the model that's in here. And back on this side, we have a photograph here with George Barris, king of customizers, along with all the accessory parts that are included with the set. We also, they mentioned the putty. We're always grateful if there's putty, but if there's not, it's all good, The tape here, it's still intact. The way they were sealed when they were sold, right? I mean, this has been open. It's not, I wish it was sealed, but it's not. Bought this online and it's here. We're going to unbox it together. Very excited for this. All right, here we go. Let's take off the lid. And let's check out this model. Oh man, just look at that chrome right off the bat. Wow. This is beautiful. Nice and shiny. Just look at that shine right there. I'm going to go really slow. This was released back in '63. I have a couple of the Auto World magazines. I'm going to bust this one out real quick. This is the one that was in 1963. This one does feature this model in the catalog for sale. The year before does not have it in there. So, and the year before was in 1962. But man, everything is still here on the tree. That's impressive. Let's set this over here. All right, let's move on to the instructions. All right. Oh, there's a display here of the bike. All right, so we got the frame. And it looks like you have to acquire the other kits in the series to be able to, put this together. That's really a really smart marketing move right there. And from what I've learned is these are the annual kits that were coming out annually. So you guys let me know if you guys have more info on this. All right, here we have the glass. Pretty clean. There's a couple little smudges right there, but polishing, you could straighten that out right there. But it looks really good. All right, we got, oh, what? I see the putty. All right, I'm hyped. All right, we got a couple tires. Hopefully there's more tires. Let's bring out the body. Oh man, this body looks beautiful right here. 1962 Impala right there. I don't think they ever released it again as a hardtop. AMT did release the 62 in a convertible, but not the hardtop. We did see the development of the 62 Bel Air, which is one of my favorite cars, but having this here, man, so awesome. All right, cool. Here's the bottom frame, the chassis. See the exhaust, everything's molded in. We also have the holes here for the screws. And then there's a couple more up here. All right. Interior tub. Very clean. All right. I can't believe a lot of these parts are still intact on the tree right here. All these years. It's a different experience every time we open up a vintage box here. Look at this. Wow, still intact. That's interesting right there. It's a nice custom piece. These long skirts. We got the little telephone. And then one of the mascots right there too. There he is. All right, sweet. Set this over here. Oh yeah, here we go. I almost thought it didn't come with it, and it did. Included an original AMT plastic body filler putty right here. That's cool. Let's set this right here. Oh, sweet. We got the other set of tires. Now it's completed right there. Looks like the roll pan for the front. And then this is the stick here for sanding. All right, we got the hood. Set this here for now. Let's gonna need a little bit of cleanup there, not too much. The dash, and then one of the parts from the frame of the motorcycle right there. There's another one right here. So awesome. So at least we got the frame there. If we end up getting more from the other series, hopefully we could complete the bike. That would be dope. All right, here we have more parts. And then in here, they kept it nice and organized with the all the red tail lights right there, along with the rods and the screws. We got a piece here and a steering wheel that came off the tree. We'll have to bag that up, make sure that's good right there. And we're coming down to the final pieces. What? We have a really nice waterside decal sheet right here. Wait, two of them? Wait a minute. Whoa. Did they make a mistake when they were there packaging this? Maybe instead of grabbing one, they didn't know it was like stuck together. They grabbed two and it was placed in the box. Trip out. What? It just came out. We got two. That's awesome. All right. And here we have Barris Custom Shop. That's cool. So these are going to come in handy for sure. And in the backside, you can see the artwork right there too of a display of how to apply it with instructions and all. So we'll set these down right here. And then we also have the vinyl right here. 62 Chevy. Man, everything is still pretty mint. Great condition. And the final piece down here, as you can see, a piece of sandpaper. I'm assuming 400 grit, but I don't know. We'll find out. Nice. Time capsule. Oh, this is impressive. Very happy with this. And, you know, everything's still there. We still got these. I'm going to leave these on. You know, I'm not going to take these off, these little pieces right here. But, oh, let's look at the body one last time. Let's admire it. Right here, 1962 Impala. Everything just looks really nice. Look at this plastic. There we go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun unboxing this, bringing everything out, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.